Hello, good morning everyone. This is Vishwamitra Sir, and today I'm just going to discuss about the rest part of the story, that is Festival of Eid. I just told you, my dear, in the previous video, till the all friends are friends went to the fair along with their father and relatives. But Hamid, granny, think about Hamid. How did Hamid went to go to the fair? There is no one to go along with the Hamid in the fair. So the question rises, but reply. Hamid replies to her granny, "Don't worry. I'm just going with my friends. Like Mahmood, Moshin, Nure, and Sami. So you don't need to be upset." And everyone just collected some money, like Mahmood collected some pieces, like 12 pieces, and Mohsin's 15 pieces, everyone. So in the same way, Hamid also collected 3 pieces only he has, because Amina and Hamid both live in a very poor situations. So in spite of they become very happy. So, my dear, I just told you, they went to the fair. First, they go to the mosques. They go and pray to the Allah, everyone, and after that they went to the shop where they purchase sweets, okay, and distribute among all friends. In the same way that they give to Hamid. Hamid accepted very softly, okay. In the same way, Hamid take the sweets, but friends make a fun of him. Hamid का मजाक बनाते हैं. क्यों मजाक बनाते हैं? क्योंकि Hamid अपना पैसा खर्च नहीं करता है. Didn't he spend his money? Because he had a sufficient money. Like the 3 piece he had. So that he think about only his granny. He just saw while his granny making chapati on the pan, her fingers would be burned on that times. मतलब उसकी दादी जब भी चपाती बनाती है, रोटी बनाती है, तो उसके फिंगर जो हैं जल जाते हैं. तो हमीद सोचता है अपनी दादी के बारे में कि क्या ऐसा चीज़ कर दे ताकि हमारे दादी का जो फिंगर है वो जले नहीं. Hamid think about this situation and think about the finger of granny. So everyone purchased toys like sweets and many things. Okay. In the same way, Mahmood purchased a policeman. They put on a khaki and also along with the red turbans. Turbans का मतलब हो गया पगड़ी, वो पहने रहता है. And ऐसा लगता है it look like giving, it look like a march. वो march ऐसा लग रहा है कर रहा है. So मोशिन की अगर बात करते हैं हम लोग, तो मोशिन भी इसी तरह एक टॉयज खरीदता है, जो सभी टॉयज एक आप समझ जाओ कि वो टॉयज एक मिट्टी का बना रहता है. इट इज़ मेड बाय मड, समझे, सॉइल्स का बना रहता है. नूरे भी एक ऐसा ही टॉयज खरीदते हैं, सभी जो हैं टॉयज ही खरीदते हैं, ठीक है, जो मिट्टी का बना रहता है. बट द टर्म ऑफ हमीद क्या करता है? ही डिडेंट परचेज टॉयज बिकॉज ही ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट ओनली हर ग्रैनी. Then everyone, after purchasing their toys and sweets, they went to the shop. They saw a iron like types of iron jewelries, type of the things is hanging on the shop. Their shopkeepers said to them, this shop is not for them. So they think, why don't we return to our homes? But Hamid, after seeing the pair of tongs, they went to the shopkeepers and asked about the price of this pair of tongs. They said to Hamid, "This is the price of 6 piece." Uh, then Hamid said to him, "So, will you give me in 3 piece?" But shopkeepers, he said, "No, I will give you only this in a 5 piece. Will you give me?" Then after listening this reply of this shopkeeper, he returned to he went to the other shop. Okay, so looking this situation, when Hamid went to the other shop, the shopkeeper called to Hamid and he just say, "Okay, you as a child, you looking very pretty, so I will give you. Looking very innocent, so I will give you this pair of dogs in a 3 piece. Sure, take it." So in this way, Hamid purchased a pair of dogs and then they went to their homes. Everyone, brother and sisters and relatives comes toward them. Okay, and they asked about what did you purchase, what did you buy in a fair. Everyone show like toys and sweets like this. But the granny of Hamid talked to Hamid, "What did you purchase in the fair?" Hamid very innocently he showed the pair of dogs before his granny. Granny become very shocked and how do you become this mature in this mature? How did you become this mature early? दादी इस तरीके से सोची कि in this way granny think about the Hamid कैसे सोच सकता है? How did he think about this situation? About my pains. ये कैसे सोच सकते हैं मेरे पेन के बारे में? जब भी दादी जब रोटी बनाती थी तो उनके फिंगर जल जाते थे, वो कैसे सोच सकता है इसके बारे में? वो इस तरीके की इस तरीके से वो सोचती थी कि हमीद की तो अभी उम्र है, एज ए चाइल्ड वो बच्चा है, वो खाने पीने और खेलने की उम्र है, वो क्यों नहीं वो टॉयज़ खरीदा? वो किस तरह उसके फ्रेंड्स जो हैं फेयर में मेले में कुछ खरीद के खाते होंगे, तो किस तरह ये सेक्रीफाई किया, अपने अंदर के दर्द को पीड़ा को रोका, है ना? किस तरह ये सेक्रीफाई किया वो सारे चीज़ को, और वो हमारे लिए मेरे लिए एक जो है चिमटा खरीद के लाया, यानी पेयर ऑफ डॉग्स खरीद के लेके आया, डॉग्स। सो इस चीज़ को देखकर ओके इन दिस वे द ग्रैनी एम्बैरेस्ड हिम एंड दे सेड देयर टीयर्स both of them. सो माई डियर, मोरल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी की बात कर हम लोग करते हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या मोरल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी निकलता है कि देखिए, दे लिव्ड इन अ पुअर सिचुएशन एंड स्पाइट ऑफ देम्स दे टेक केयर ऑफ देम्स, एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखते हैं, ठीक है। एंड अलॉन्ग विद दिस आप ये भी बात बोल सकते हैं कि एक दूसरे के दर्द के बारे में, पीड़ा के बारे में भी वो सोचते हैं, ठीक है। सो माय डियर, और वो खुश रहते हैं, ठीक है। तो सबसे बड़ी बात है, द मेन थिंग इज दिस, वॉट एवर टाइप ऑफ द सिचुएशंस इन आवर लाइफ, अगर हमारे लाइफ में कैसा भी सिचुएशन हो, वी शुड नॉट बी अपसेट, ओके, वी शुड ट्राई टू बिकम हैप्पी, okay. So thank you for listening and joining me.